Hello students, I would like to welcome you all on the second lecture of Accounting of Goods and Services Tax, Part 2. Today we will going to discuss some journal entry on the basis of CGST, SGST and IGST. Here I am taking one example, and with the help of example I am going to teach you the different journal entries in which CGST, SGST and IGST will be charged. So here are some basic information, like all the transactions are of Messrs. Amar and Sons. We will going to enter the journal entries in the books of Amar and Sons, and here GST rates are CGST 9%, SGST 9% and IGST 18%. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing, that there are two type of GST. Two type of, or we can say that there are two kind of. GST is levied or charged and collected by the seller of goods or services, or both for and on the behalf of the government. So it is termed as outputs GST. And the purchaser of goods and services or both pay GST on purchase, and it is termed as input GST. So at the time of purchase, we have to enter CGST, SGST and IGST with the name of input GST, and at the time of sale we have to pass the entry named as output CGST, SGST or IGST. So let us begin with first entry. Transaction number 1. Purchase goods for 1 lakh from Messrs. Journal Sales, Delhi. And in the books of Messrs., as you know that in the books of Messrs. Amar and Sons, Delhi, we will going to pass the entry in the books of Amar and Sons, Delhi. So now, in this transaction, purchase goods for 1 lakh from Messrs. Journal and Sons, Delhi. So it is also known as intra-state. That means within the same state. So the entry will be purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to Messrs. Journal Sales account. So at the time of intra-state purchase, that means within the state, we have to government have to charge CGST and SGST half of the rate. So here the rate of CGST and SGST is 9%. So we have to charge CGST and SGST on that particular 1 lakh at the rate of 9%. So 9% of 1 lakh, 9,000. So input CGST 9,000 and output CGST as well 9,000. Now the next one. Next transaction. Purchase office chair for rupees 10,000 from Messrs. Furniture Mart, Delhi. It is also known as interstate purchase. So entry will be purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to cash at the rate of 9%, same. So 9% of 10,900. So here that purchaser, that means Amar and Sons, have to pay 11,800 to the supplier. Next one. Next transaction. Purchase goods for 50,000 from Messrs. Perfect Sales, Faridabad, Haryana against check. So it is interstate purchase, outside the state. So at the time of outside the state, we have to government have to charge IGST, integrated goods and services tax. So here purchase account debit 50,000 and now 18% of 50,000. Okay, 18% of 15,000 input IGST will be charged, that is 9,000 to bank, 59,000. Next one. So this is the case of interstate purchase. Next one, purchase machinery from Messrs. Arpit Machines, Gujarat. It is also interstate purchase for 2 lakh. Machinery account debit 2 lakh. Input IGST account debit, that is 18% of 2 lakh, 36,000 to Messrs. Arpit Machinery account, 2 lakh 36,000. So there are in fact there are many entries in which GST should be levied. So we will going to discuss the another different types of entries later on in the next video. Thank you so much.